Quantum Current, Decoding AI, Exploring Digital Frontiers.
If you feel like you're constantly putting out fires at work, there's a smarter way to handle it. Smart automation isn't the future. It's the upgrade your workflow needs right now. What if your daily tasks could complete themselves without you even lifting a finger? From small businesses to solo freelancers, automation is the secret sauce behind the world's most productive people. Today we're exploring how smart automation can transform your workflow, save hours every week, and free up your brain power for the tasks that really matter. We're not just talking about fancy tech buzzwords. We're talking about real tools, already available, that can take the weight off your shoulders and give you more time to actually create, lead, or just breathe. Whether you're a solo creator, part of a startup, or working in a large organization, these tools are built to help you do more with less. Tool number 1, Zapier. It's like digital duct tape for your apps. Zapier connects the tools you already use and automates repetitive tasks like sending confirmation emails, organizing form data, and posting updates to Slack. It's no code and incredibly flexible, making it a favorite among marketers, project managers, and customer support teams. By 2026, workflow orchestration platforms like Zapier are expected to become standard in project teams and digital operations across industries. Companies that adopt it now are already reporting fewer errors, faster processes, and better collaboration across teams. Tool number 2, Notion AI. Built right into the productivity app Notion, this AI assistant helps you summarize long documents, generate content, brainstorm ideas, and even draft full-length reports. It turns your productivity workspace into a smart assistant that learns your workflow over time. With built-in memory and contextual awareness, Notion AI can help teams collaborate more effectively by centralizing notes, tasks, and strategy, all while generating fresh ideas on the fly. It's like having a project manager and creative partner in one. Tool number 3, Reclaim.ai. This smart calendar integrates with Google Calendar and automatically adjusts your schedule based on priorities and deadlines. It defends your deep work time, helps you avoid burnout, and can even make time for breaks or workouts. Seriously. More than just time blocking, Reclaim learns from your habits and reshapes your calendar in real time. It finds openings for your goals, whether that's finishing a proposal or hitting the gym. Productivity meets self-care. Tool number 4, Make. Formerly known as Integromat, Make allows you to build complex, multi-step automations without writing a single line of code. It's especially powerful for entrepreneurs and ops teams who want deep control over back-end processes, analytics, and customer engagement. Make offers greater customization and logic than most tools in its class. Think if-then scenarios, conditional logic, and branching workflows that mirror your real-world business processes. It's like building your own digital team. Tool number 5, Fireflies.ai. It records and transcribes your meetings, but it doesn't stop there. It also creates searchable notes, identifies action items, and can even integrate with your CRM or task manager. Experts say tools like Fireflies could save companies hundreds of hours in admin time per employee per year. More than a note taker, Fireflies is becoming the backbone of digital meetings. Imagine never having to say, "Wait, what did we decide again?" It ensures nothing slips through the cracks, making follow-up seamless and accountability easier than ever. Smart automation isn't about replacing humans. It's about upgrading how humans work. The difference between a chaotic workflow and a streamlined one often comes down to a few smart systems running behind the scenes. When you stop spending time on the stuff that doesn't matter, you finally get the freedom to focus on the things that do. If you're ready to stop grinding and start flowing, hit subscribe. This is Quantum Current, where we harness the smartest tools of tomorrow, today.